curl my hair because I don't know if I'm cutting it or not, and I don't know when this video will go up. I don't know when this video will go up, but I just thought that I would curl my hair and do a tutorial on it. Just in case I do decide to cut my hair, then I will have this tutorial. So those of you with long hair will know how I always curled my hair when it was long. So I use my T3, and this is a 1/2 inch barrel, and I'm gonna curl it this certain way today so I can teach you how I do it. All right, so on fast days, I normally actually don't section my hair off, but for today's type of curl, I do. And it's actually better the smaller the section that you have, because you can really get those tight curls and it creates this really cute wave. But what you do is you just take small sections of hair, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch big, and start kind of at the top. Maybe I'll come closer. And just curl your hair, leaving out like 1 inch or 2 at the bottom. And then what you'll do after it's been sitting there is pull the wands and like unravel and then pull down, and it just creates a really cute little ribbony kind of curl. And then what you'll do is go the opposite way. So now I'm curling toward my face. And this bottom section doesn't need to be so perfect, just because it gets hidden by everything else, and I don't know why, but the curls underneath and by my face don't tend to stay as curly throughout the day. But the key is to keep that tight as you're unraveling it. Sorry, my camera keeps self-adjusting. Okay, so it's kept it kind of tight, like in a line. So that's kind of the look you want. It doesn't really look cute now, but I promise it gets cuter. And my friend Bailey actually taught me these curls, and she's still amazing at it, such a pro. I'm like, still not that good. And she actually will do like a small section like this, and then unravel, and then let it curl a little bit more, and then unravel. That's kind of more like what we're going for here. This side worked a little better. But you can see it's not really a curl. It looks kind of just like a twisty, straighty kind of thing. That's what we're going for. Okay. And then this one I curl towards. Okay, so this is what I'm left with. Like I said, bottom doesn't need to be so perfect, it's whatever. Okay. And for my thickness of hair, I usually do 3 sections. You can do however many you feel like you need to. I usually like to do a middle and then like a top. And the ones right by my face, I always curl away from my face. And if you like this makeup, by the way, go check out my December BoxyCharm unboxing, because I share how I do this makeup using the products I got in that box. So I'm constantly just unraveling it. So it creates this long little loopy thing. Okay, and then this one I will curl toward. And some of the curls I like to be a little curlier and bouncier, and so I don't pull as many times like doing the unraveling trick, because the unraveling is what gives you like almost like a perm curl effect, where like, so when I'm unraveling, I mean like I'm constantly twisting my barrel to let it come through. Okay, and I don't know if you can see the bottom very well, but I've got some pieces that are kind of like straight and kind of weird. So once I'm done hairspraying and like pulling them out with my fingers, I actually will go through and kind of recurl just a couple pieces to make them match a little bit, because I don't love it when it's like too straight, kind of like this. Yeah, it's got like a weird kinky look to it. So I go through and fix any of them that may not look the way that I want them to. Okay, and I use my fingers rather than a brush, because brushes I feel like tend to make it look frizzy and fingers don't. But you can see how the curls just have such like a pretty movement to them, and they look just like perfectly like beachy and tousled. That's what we love. That's what we're going for. And this way of curling my hair does take a little bit longer, but I just think it's so pretty. So I do this for more special occasions or when I just have a little more time to get ready. Okay, so here is the finished look. requests for any more videos. I would love to know what you're interested in. I love sharing hair, makeup, fashion, but if you want to see anything specific, definitely let me know in the comments. Check out my blog, stripesandbloom.com. Follow me on Instagram at Jeppsen. I really appreciate your support. You guys are amazing. So thank you so much. And now that you have like the base curled, like this would be so cute just to pop in a pretty like set of clips, or you could just throw on a headband, put a hat. I don't care, I wear hats all day, no judgment. You could do like a really cute little like low pony with a fun scrunchie. So anyways, this is just one of my favorite ways to curl my hair. So let me know if you try it. I would love to see your looks.